This is OBDclick, an automobile diagnostic tool. Here's what it looks like, and here's what it can do for you. And here's how it works. OBDclick connects to your car and transforms your phone or tablet into a diagnostic machine. You'll be able to get to the root of breakdowns and defects, exactly like you'd get at your local auto shop, but at home. OBDclick connects to the Diagnostic plug located in your car. It's a standard plug for all cars made since 2001. The interface is 100% in English and is very simple to use. In addition to identifying problems, the device allows you to read roughly 100 sensors that verify the state of your car. Once the diagnostic is complete, OBDclick allows you to turn the engine light off on your dashboard for free with a simple click. Don't wait any longer. Reserve yours on our website, obdclick.com, and save hundreds in vehicle maintenance costs every year.